Imran Khan, the skipper, has decided that he's the one to come out and sort all this out.
Imran just having a little flirt outside off stump there. He's missed one or two, but he's got that one away down to third man. And he'll collect 3 for that shot. No, he won't. He's decided that 2 will do. Greg Campbell again. And that's through the gap. It wasn't a chance, and it's running down to the long boundary. Mark Taylor.
Music licensing reimagined.
And so 3 more to Imran. It didn't get much above chest high, and that's the way to play a pull shot. Now, those of you who want to know how to do it, have a look at this one and see if you can remember it. Back he goes and whack in front of square down to the boundary. Playing this horizontal bat shot can get you thousands of runs if you played well. You've got to practice it, and that was an example of a lovely shot from Imran Khan. As opposed to allow him to do that, and while it wasn't a very good ball, it was a very straightforward pull shot down to the boundary for 4. That brings up the 250 for Pakistan, 5 wickets down. So yet another 4 to the Pakistanis.
Well, the gap was left there to tempt the batsman, Imran, to hit down the ground, and that's exactly what he did.
Music licensing reimagined.
Higher flighted delivery and good tactics not to put the man out. They gave him the chance to hit down the ground. He did it successfully, and he was then drawn into having another go. Long effort of concentration and skillful batting, plus some lovely stroke play from Imran. 136, his highest score in Test cricket.